AsamMDF is a free open-source tool that lets you process CAN bus log file data recorded in the industry standard MDF4 format. This lets you natively load and process data from the CANedge CAN and LINBus data logger. Let's show how this works with some raw J1939 data from a truck. To use the AsamMDF GUI, you can simply download and open the executable for Windows or Linux. No installation required. Within the GUI, you can load a single file or batch process multiple files. To review your raw data, you can use the tabular display to see the CAN IDs and data bytes, as well as do basic filtering. You can also export this data to different formats like CSV and MATLAB. However, the most common use case of AsamMDF would be to load a CAN database file, aka DBC file, with conversion rules. This lets you decode the raw CAN data to human-readable form, aka physical values. Note that this feature also lets you convert an example OBD2 data from cars using our free OBD2 DBC file. The resulting output is a new MDF4 file with the scaled engineering values. Just like before, you can view, export, and modify the data. In addition, you can now also create advanced graphical plots to analyze the data parameters. What makes AsamMDF really great is that the GUI is simply a tool built upon an underlying Python API. That means you can automate all of the operations we just went through with very few lines of code. To make this even simpler to work with, we provide plenty of script examples and sample data to get you started on our GitHub page. If you want to try out AsamMDF yourself, go to our website via the description link. Here, you'll also find CANedge sample data from a truck and a car, as well as DBC files. If you wish to learn more about our products or to get sparring on your use case, feel free to contact us.